We're at Autosport International 18, and one of the things this show is known for is innovation in motorsport. And we were wandering around and saw this quite innovative little package, which is, well, most people will recognise as an A-Series engine, but maybe not one that we've seen before. And we're going to have a word with John Kimmins from Specialist Components to tell us more about what they've been doing here. John, this is quite something. What on earth have you done to this poor engine?
Yeah, we've brought in the 21st century and modernised it. Historically, the Mini engine has been supercharged many times, but this is the first time it's ever been supercharged with a blow-through system, which gives you full control over the fueling and the ignition time, which is very important on a Mini engine. And the main goal with it was to make it usable, reliable, a daily driver, but with outstanding performance.
Okay.
And you didn't have to modify the car. That was very important.
Traditionally then, people have put superchargers on before, but then that meant it had a carburetor and it actually then sucked the fuel through it, where you're using fuel injection and you're doing it a completely different way. You're blowing the air into the engine.
That's correct, yes.
Okay, so I mean, does that present many problems with respect to fueling, or is it just that being mapped and fuel injected, you can just get it absolutely spot on?
It makes it a lot easier. Like you were saying, historically the suck-through systems made it very difficult to manage the engine control.
Yeah.
Whereas doing a blow-through system means you can control the fueling very precisely for any eventuality, any engine load RPM, and keep real control of the ignition time. It also means, because you've got that control, you can run higher compression ratios, which is what the Mini thrives on.
Okay.
It loves compression.
Yeah, and I mean, packaging-wise, are you telling me that this will go underneath a standard Mini bonnet?
Yes, this will go under standard Mini bonnet.
And mainly this is for road use, to just to have people have just a bit of a pickup, to have something that's more usable and also can live with modern traffic? Yeah,
but as you say today, there's been lots of interest from the hill climber community, sprint people.
Really?
You can see the benefit of doing this rather than doing a very highly tuned, normally aspirated engine.
Okay. So I mean, what kind of power outputs we're looking at with with this conversion?
Okay, it's very efficient. That's a good thing about it. So if we use a fairly soft road camshaft at 260 degrees with 10 pounds of boost, it'll make 150 horsepower and 120 pounds-foot of torque.
150?
Yes, but still be very easy to drive, very tractable. You can cruise in it, and when you want to have fun, you can.
Wow. And you're going to have a road car soon, and a demonstrator?
Yeah, I'm going to, because I like the concept so much, I'm putting one of these engines in my own car with a slightly higher output.
Yes.
And we'll do sort of performance testing so the public can see what these things are really like.
Well, that'd be great to maybe have a test drive of that, and we'll follow that up in the future.
Sounds good. Yeah, brilliant.
Thanks very much, John.